Ever catch yourself daydreaming about what it'd be like if Bitcoin actually hit $800,000?
Yeah, who hasn't?
I mean, that's a lot of zeros.
Seriously.
Well, guess what? We found this Turkish news article, and it's got some seriously wild predictions about, you guessed it, Bitcoin's price.
Oh, this is going to be good. Turkish news, always interesting.
It mentions this guy, Mike Novogratz, CEO of Galaxy Digital.
I know him. Big name. Super plugged into the whole crypto scene.
Exactly. And he's saying Bitcoin could hit $800,000.
Wait, hold up. $800,000?
That's what I said, within the next 5 to 10 years even.
Wow. Okay, gotta hear more about this.
So we're going to deep dive into this article, see what's got Novogratz so convinced.
All right, let's break it down.
The thing is, he's comparing Bitcoin to gold, like the actual precious metal.
Ah, the digital gold argument. Classic.
Right. But why gold? Why is that always the comparison?
Well, for a bunch of reasons, actually.
Okay, lay it on me.
Historically, gold has held its value for, centuries.
Yeah, that's true.
And there's a finite amount of it, right?
Limited supply, yeah.
Which is kind of like Bitcoin. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Ever.
So that scarcity makes it valuable.
Exactly. People see it as a safe haven, especially when the economy is doing weird stuff.
So Novogratz is basically saying Bitcoin could become the digital equivalent of gold.
Pretty much. He sees it becoming this mainstream store of value, just like gold in the physical world.
Okay, I'm kind of seeing the connection now. But still, $800,000 seems like a huge antsy jump.
Yeah, no argument there. It's a super bullish prediction.
What makes him so confident, you think?
Well, the article mentions a couple of things. Like, first, Bitcoin's gaining popularity. It's not this niche thing anymore.
True. Way more people are talking about it, investing in it.
And the article even mentions figures like Donald Trump are showing interest in crypto these days.
Whoa, didn't expect that one.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. But even with that, there are a lot of things that could affect Bitcoin's price.
Yeah, good point. It's not all sunshine and rainbows, right?
Exactly. What about all the regulations? Governments are still figuring out how to deal with crypto.
That's true. A new law could really shake things up.
And technology, too. There are always new cryptocurrencies popping up.
Oh, yeah, that's true. I mean, remember that whole metaverse craze last year?
Right. So, yeah, lots of factors at play. $800,000 is possible, but definitely not guaranteed.
That's a good reality check. So let's imagine for a second that Bitcoin does hit $800,000.
Okay, let's get into this.
What would that world even look like?
Imagine, Bitcoin being a regular part of global transactions.
People buying groceries with Bitcoin.
Possibly. Big investors putting tons of money into Bitcoin.
Whoa. So it would, change how we think about money altogether.
It would be a massive shift in the financial landscape, that's for sure.
Makes you think, huh?
Definitely. This whole digital gold thing is really making waves.
So to wrap this up, Bitcoin's future is a bit of a mystery, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like a choose-your-own-adventure book. We don't know which path it'll take.
But experts like Novogratz are saying there's huge potential for growth.
Totally. Who knows? Maybe we'll all be Bitcoin millionaires someday.
Maybe. But hey, even if Bitcoin doesn't hit $800,000, it's got everyone talking about the future of money.
True, it's definitely gotten people thinking differently about finance.
So what would you do if Bitcoin did hit that crazy number? Would you invest? Would you spend it?
Those are some good questions. Definitely something to think about.
And that's our deep dive for today. Thanks for listening.
Catch you next time.